Take y'all to see the chickens. I haven't shown y'all the chickens in a while. They start laying, so she's doing good. They lay their eggs up there. I don't know why. New tire for the tractor. He's got to go pick up. This is our new animal. And we're training Abe. Abe's not that old. This is the back side of the chicken coop now. And it's Abe's stall. And let's go see Abe. So that's our new animal, and so we hadn't gotten in yet. Okay, I'm gonna take y'all outside now. This morning when we first woke up, it was like 27 degrees, so it's taking forever to warm up around here. It's a little warmer outside, so I'll put my jacket on, and I'm gonna go show y'all the new addition to our family. So come on. And I don't know about y'all, but pollen is so bad. I'm mopping every day and just trying to keep the pollen off. Let's see. Right now it is, if y'all can see that, 45 degrees, 44 degrees. So let's go out here and see our new animal. And we've been having him for, I guess, about 3 weeks now. There's Bear, of course. I'll take y'all to see the chickens. I haven't shown y'all the chickens in a while. Quit. We've been going to the co-op, or the tractor place, trying to purchase some more chickens, but they're all out. Everybody keeps going before us. Hey, chickies. Quit, Bear. Yeah, he's still aggravating. So, I wanted to show y'all, Leon's been working out here. Before I show y'all our new animal, he extended the chicken coop, and this right here he made for the geese, so Raphael can lay her eggs. They're having a fit. They start laying, so she's being very protective. You better go on. Let's see. Alright, so he extended the chicken coop. See how long it is? So when you walk in the front of it now, ooh, we got the chickens. Scared me. They lay their eggs up there. I don't know why. So this is the chicken coop. Okay, I'm going out now because they were not happy with me being in there, leaving. So Leon's in the shop. He ordered a new tire for the tractor. He's got to go pick up. So we're gonna go around to the back, show you how big the chicken coop is now. Bear, stop. The reason he extended the chicken coop is because of our new animal, and it's a donkey, and we named him Abe. So he had to fence. Quit. Hold on, y'all. Okay. He had to fence all these 2 acres right here for Abe. So one side of the chicken, one side of it's the chicken coop, the front part, and the back side is Abe's stall. So let me take you in here, and we're training Abe. Abe's not that old. He's a fairly young donkey. He's a fairly young donkey, but he's a sweet donkey. And he is actually back there in the pasture, right there. He's looking at me. So let me see if I can walk close. Well, let me show you his stall first. Alright. So this is the back side of the chicken coop now. And it's Abe's stall. And he goes in here by himself. He eats in here. And he eats some grain and some hay. So this is the back side. So the chicken coop's on the other side of that wall, and this is Abe's stall. And we made it big enough so we can purchase a pony, a horse later. So let's go over here and see if Abe will let us get close. Of course, jealous. Quit. Let's go see Abe. And he aggravates Abe, but they do play sometimes. Abe's not gonna let me get too close to him, so. And they play together, but sometimes Abe gets aggravated with Bear, and see, and Abe will kick him, or see. And he's a sweet donkey. He's so sweet. Leon's building a little relationship with him. So when Leon shakes his grain in his little container that he puts it in, he'll come up to the gate, or he'll hee-haw when it's time for, when he's hungry. He'll hee-haw real loud. So that's our new animal, and we are still getting pigs, but we hadn't had any in our hog traps, so we're trying to get some little ones in our hog traps. And so we hadn't gotten any of those yet. So let's go see what Leon's doing. Maya's fine. She's in her room. It's still a little chilly for her to come out. We let her come out yesterday evening because it got a little warm, but she's in her room. So let's go see what Leon's doing. He's on the phone. What are you doing? There's my bike.
Talking to Ronnie and...
Oh, tell him I say hey. Oh, okay. Had to go film Abe.
He said, hey.
Hey. Okay, so that's our donkey. Precious, sweet donkey. Alright, Bear's got his ball, wants somebody to play with him. I would go in Maya's room, but I don't want to bother her right now because she'll get to squawking. So, alright, well I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog, or this video, and I hope y'all enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.